kinjo yak shaki. President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee bat Kyrtong ka Congress na Shillong Parliamentary ba Vincent H. Pala hinekasngi ula pentip ba baro arngut ki Kyrtong na benta ka Shillong bat Tura kinsa Thep Kyrteng hakala sngi ublay. Habakren siya kilat patay kubor uba pala ulaong ba hakajing yalang kabalalong ha Congress Bhavan labata ya kinong tray kaseng kumju siya ki block president bankyar na kabakren ya kinu ki jingkren ki bala banyalam siya ka jingbam sngotanat ha kapor election. Uba pala ula banjorru halor ki jingkular baper kaba kaseng kalakalay. Habak keli laka don ne em ka jingya kun ka ba markat ju na barok kiseng u president ka MPCC ulaong ba man lakaway pakaway kaseng san perthe ka klan hala ki jong ki benta.
Shillong parliamentary seats and Shillong is sama for the two Tura parliamentary seats. Because of that, we try to give instructions to our workers, and also we take the views of the district president, the block president suggestions, because election will be fought not only by us from here but at the block level mainly, and how to speak for during the campaign and so many other things which normally we practice, how to put our polling agents, when is the last date to give the names. That is the purpose of the meeting.